the 17th century Dutch city of Delft lived a man with avid curiosity. A draper by trade harbored a secret passion to see the unseen world. It's Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. Driven by an urge to see the finer details of fabrics, he taught himself the delicate crafts of lens grinding. These tiny glass spheres, simple in appearance, would become portals to a hidden universe. Unlike the bulky microscopes of his time, Leeuwenhoek's were small handheld devices with remarkably powerful lenses. With magnifications reaching up to 275 times, they revealed what no one had seen before. He was the first to observe and describe single-cell organisms such as bacteria, protozoa, which he affectionately called "we animalcules." At the Royal Society meeting room, scholars in powdered wigs listened with a mixture of fascination and skepticism as a letter from Leeuwenhoek is read aloud, describing the teeming life in a drop of water. His findings were met with both wonder and disbelief by the scientific community. Could such tiny creatures truly exist? Later, he demonstrates his microscope to a visiting scientist. The man peers through the lens, then gasps. It's incredible. A whole world within a drop. Over 5 decades, he sent more than 500 letters to the Royal Society detailing his discoveries, from red blood cells to rotifers, from muscle fibers to the structure of plants. Though he never wrote a formal scientific paper, his meticulous observation laid the foundation for microbiology, protozoology, and cell theory. His work challenged the doctrine of spontaneous generation and offered early evidence that life did not arise from non-living matter, a concept that would later support the germ theory of disease. From threats to theories, the curiosity of Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, a self-taught lens maker, ignited a scientific revolution, revealing that the smallest worlds often holds the grandest mysteries. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com.